First question, from which country fundamental rights are extracted to Indian Constitution? Option A America, option B England, option C Germany, option D Russia. Now choose the correct answer. Second question, how the fundamental rights are called in America? Option A primary rights, option B Bill of Rights, option C fundamental rights, option D citizen rights. Now choose the correct answer. Come to third question. Basically and present, how many fundamental rights are there in Indian Constitution? Option A, basically 6 fundamental rights, at present 7 fundamental rights. Option B, basically 7 fundamental rights, at present 7 fundamental rights. Option C, basically 6 fundamental rights, at present 6 fundamental rights. Option D, basically 7 fundamental rights, at present 6 fundamental rights. Now choose the correct answer. Fourth question, which part in Indian Constitution fundamental rights are enriched? Option A part 4, option B part 3, option C part 5A, option D part 5. Now choose the correct answer. Come to fifth question. From which article to which article fundamental rights have been enriched in the Constitution of India? Option A 14 to 32nd article, option B 12 to 32nd article, option C 12 to 35th article, option D 14 to 35th article. Now choose the correct answer. Sixth question, during emergency period, the fundamental rights are suspended. From which country this concept has extracted? Option A Germany, option B Russia, option C England, option D South Africa. Now choose the correct answer. Come to seventh question, by which amendment act property right was removed from fundamental rights? Option A 1977 42nd Amendment Act, option B 1979 44th Amendment Act, option C 1978 44th Amendment Act, option D 1979 42nd Amendment Act. Now choose the correct answer. Eighth question, in which schedule fundamental rights are enriched in Indian Constitution? Option A 8th schedule, option B 12th schedule, option C 7th schedule, option D 9th schedule. Now choose the correct answer. Come to ninth question. Which fundamental rights are not applicable to foreigners? Option A 15, 16, 17, 29 and 32 articles. Option B 15, 16, 19, 27 and 30th article. Option C 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30th article. Option D 15, 16, 19, 29 and 31st articles. Now choose the correct answer. Tenth question, according to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which fundamental right is heart, soul and life to the Constitution of India? Option A, right to constitutional remedies. Option B, right to equality. Option C, right to freedom. Option D, right to against exploitation. Now choose the correct answer. 11th question. Which of the following has power to revoke the fundamental rights? Option A, Parliament. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Supreme Court. Option D, President. Now choose the correct answer. 12th question. Match the following given below fundamental rights and their articles.